If you're looking for some faux florals that will make your space feel softer but still feel more elevated without the need for maintenance, these baby breath stems are so pretty in person.
The stems have a really airy, natural look to them, and I like that they don't feel stiff or overly plastic. The wired stems make them easy to shape depending on the vase or style that you want.
These work especially well for taller vases because the stems are nice and long and have such nice movement. You can spread them out for a softer, more organic look, or you can keep them a little bit more structured depending on your vase and your decor style. But I also really love these paired alongside additional florals and greenery because I think they add a very whimsical touch and they definitely make it look more natural and kind of wild.
I also like that these work year round. The white color blends easily with farmhouse, neutral, modern, or minimalist decor without feeling seasonal or too trendy.
So if you're looking for a simple floral to add some brightness to your room and make it feel a little bit more decorated without the need for upkeep, these are a really beautiful option and I think they would fit well in pretty much any room.